Hi everyone. Today we have a new news which is regarding the Accessible India campaign. This campaign is an initiative of Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities and Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Okay. As a part of this, government has initiated or introduced new application which is known as Sugamya Bharat application. Okay, this application is by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. This will be launched by March 2nd, that is tomorrow, and this will be available in the Play Store. And from tomorrow onwards we can download this application, and after downloading we have to register in this application. In that we need to enter name, mobile number as well as mail ID. Okay, once these details are entered and registration is done, everyone can register their complaint. Okay, if we are watching any kind of institutions or transportation which is not differently abled friendly, or it is very difficult for elderly as well as COVID-19 patients to get access to these places or any buildings, we can take a photograph and can register a complaint in this mobile application. Okay, so this complaint will be received by Social Justice and Empowerment Department, Ministry, and they will send this complaint into the concerned department for the fast addressing of the complaint. Okay, so this is how this application works. The focus of this application is mainly three areas or three groups. One is differently abled people, then second is elderly, and third one is COVID-19 patients, and also other bigger sections like pregnant, then children's are also can be covered under this based on the demand and the complaints. Okay, so the accessibility will be enabled in areas like buildings and transportation. Okay, so if we are finding any building or any transportation medium without having a facility for the accessibility for any of these three kind of sections, we can register a complaint through these applications with or without a photograph. Okay, then this complaint will be processed by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, and they will take necessary action for the redressal of the problem. Okay, so this is regarding the Sugamya Bharat application. That's all. Thank you.